Describe environmental analysis for developing service model. You must analyze the following to create an effective service model. Internal environment. Example, staff, internal customers, office technology, wages and finance, etc. Microenvironment. Example, external customers, franchisees, suppliers, agents, competitors, etc. Macroenvironment. Example, political forces, economic forces, socio-cultural forces, and technological forces. Why environmental analysis for service model? Environmental analysis is an important element of developing a service model. It involves the internal and external analysis of environment. The organizational environment consists of both external and internal factors. Environment must be scanned so as to determine development and forecasts of factors that will influence organizational success. Environmental analysis refers to possession and utilization of information about occasions, patterns, trends, and relationships within an organization's internal and external environment. It helps the organization to analyze the competitors, as well as decide the path of the service model. Environmental analysis must identify the threats and opportunities existing in the environment. While developing a service model, an organization must take advantage of the opportunities and minimize the threats. A threat for one organization or competitor may be an opportunity for another. Objectives of environmental analysis for service model. The main objectives of carrying out an environmental analysis for developing service model are as follows. To predict and forecast organizations' demand and supply. To study the market. To formulate strategy. To increase the market share. To study the market trend and pattern. To understand the current service strategy, strengths and weaknesses of own and a competitor, which can suggest opportunities and threats to improve. To study forthcoming trends in the industry. To develop a strategy for organizational growth. When an organization wants to plan for service diversification and expansion plan. To gain an insight into future service strategies which may help in predicting upcoming threats and opportunities. How to conduct environmental analysis? Environmental analysis involves the internal and external analysis of the environment of a service organization. Let us look at each in detail. Internal analysis of environment. Internal analysis of the environment is the first step of the environmental analysis. Organizations should observe the internal organizational environment. Analysis of internal environment helps in identifying strengths and weaknesses of a service company. This includes employee interaction with other employees, employee interaction with management, manager interaction with other managers, and management interaction with shareholders, access to natural resources, service brand awareness, organizational structure, main staff, operational potential, etc. Moreover, discussions, interviews, and surveys can also be used to assess the internal environment. External analysis of environment. As a service company becomes more competitive and there are rapid changes in the external environment, information from the external environment adds crucial elements to the effectiveness of long-term service model plans. As environment is dynamic, it becomes essential to identify competitors' moves and actions. Service companies also have to update the core competencies and internal environment as per external environment. Environmental factors are infinite. Hence, an organization should be agile and vigilant to accept and adjust to the environmental changes. In a similar manner, there can be changes in factors such as competitors' activities, technology, market tastes, and preferences.